What is up, Krampers?
This is so cringy. Oh my god, I'm sorry.
Hey, Krampers. How's it going, Krampers? What is up? Ooh. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, you're probably wondering why I'm outside. I will get to that in a second. Hi, guys. I'm Jen, if you're new here. So today, I'm getting my hair dyed again. And I'm really excited because, okay, so I'm like blonde now, but I want to be blonder. So that's my goal. I don't know what's gonna happen. The reason I'm outside, my cousin does my hair and she lives literally behind me, so I walk to her house, so that's why I'm outside. So I am dyeing my hair. I'm very excited. It's really frizzy right now. I know, I'm sorry about it. It's not, I can't control it. Yeah, I don't know what she's gonna do. I'm not a hairdresser. It is really freaking hot out, so I'm gonna go. Do you see my hair? I still can't get over it. Hey guys, so it's a couple days later now. I know that doesn't make sense. I didn't actually get my hair done the day I said I was. Long story, we're not gonna get into it. I finally have my hair done and oh my god. It is blonde. It is really blonde. I feel great. I feel like a new person. I asked for icy blonde and I clearly got that and I'm obsessed with it. Yeah, so this is my blonde hair. Let me go like back. Hello guys, so it is a couple days later again. Don't ask, whatever. I'm editing right now and the video is really short, so I wanted to come on here and explain some stuff. I wanted to explain what I actually got done to my hair because I didn't really record anything, but whatever. I previously had highlights and I had a neutral tone to my hair, so she highlighted again and then she balayaged the hairs that weren't in the foils, so I have highlights and balayage, and then she toned my hair in like this icy blonde tone and it's really sick, and in some lightings it looks silver. I will insert pictures. It's so cool. I'm so obsessed with it, and yeah, thanks so much, girl. You did the best. You're just the best, so thanks. I don't know if this video is gonna just be about hair or I'm gonna like add on to it, but if it's just about hair, this is really short. If you liked this video, if you like my hair, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And yeah, I will see you in the next one.